Delta X Juliet, continue via taxiway. Delta Alpha to the parking, cheers.
This is line up and wait clearance. And the purpose
Delta X Hotel, base turn approved, continue.
of the full stop landings and taxibacks is because one of the challenges is setting power on a turbine, particularly this one, which has got a bit of a wonky
Oscar, Papa Foxtrot, direct base, runway 31,
friction lock, so we're working with that. It's really important to set the...
Juliet Romeo, join traffic circuit, wind is variable 3 knots, runway 31, cleared for takeoff.
Join traffic circuit, runway 31, cleared for takeoff, 3 Juliet Romeo.
Delta Papa Alpha, Whiskey 1550
Okay,
feet.
so we're setting first power with the prop. That's it, toes down. And now looking right here for 1250-ish. And you can be generous, but just be precise. When you get to 1250-ish, set the friction lock. Go ahead, set that friction lock. Good. Airspeed's alive, gauge screen, 60 cross check. Good. And move your hand away from the power and rotate. Yep. Pull to the bars, trim for the bars.
Okay, positive brake.
So I see you struggling with that gear, so you pull it out and up, and you'll have a better, so put your fingers behind it, pull it up that way.
Are we getting 3 green?
Altitude 1,000 to go.
1 to go. So, pumps, igniters, hots, lights.
Auto.
Nope.
No, that's...
Yep.
That's one.
Good.
And...
Yep. Remember when Betty says 200, it's time to start pulling the power back. In fact, you could start now because you're over your 130. And we're using 130 in the pattern because it's ice penetration speed, and it's also VA, más o menos, that then gives us a power setting and clean level flight that we can use no matter what the weather, what the circumstances for vectors to final, or whatever. 130 knots is what we're after.
Altitude 200 to go.
200 to go. Yep. Good. We've struggled all week with this weather, but finally getting in some landings yesterday and today.
Altitude.
Autopilot is off. This is the downwind. We've
Oscar Papa Foxtrot, taxi via Charlie and Alpha,
used the OBS feature on the 650 and the course needle on the PFD to align the magenta line with final approach course. Now, since the magenta line is drawn with the OBS from the center of the airport property, just press on there, there we go. We went direct to EDLN and then used the OBS key to take us.
November Juliet Romeo, stand by for base turn.
Standing by for base, 3 Juliet Romeo.
Delta X Hotel, early right turn.
Another way to do that, of course, would be to...
Early right turn?
Delta X Hotel.
This pattern is busy today. It would be to select the procedure for runway 31 It could be any of the procedures. In this case, we'll use RNAV 31. We'll activate vectors to final. And that'll give us a more accurate line.
November Juliet Romeo, continue approach.